everyone. Welcome to episode 5 of my series, Short and Sweet, Delicious Dessert Dips. And with the holidays right around the corner, I have a couple left that I think would fit right in if you're going maybe to someone's house or a holiday party, or you're having guests at your house. These next couple of dips I'm going to share with you, I think you're going to enjoy. So, welcome everyone, and a big shout out to all my new subscribers. I have so many, I can't believe it. Thank you so much. And my name is Dolores. I'll put it up on the screen, better known as the Baking Diva. So, what do you say we get started? Let's get started. This is going to be a gingerbread dessert dip. Perfect for Thanksgiving and Christmas. There's not many ingredients in it. Most of them you probably have right in your home. And if you don't, they have them in the supermarkets. So, what do you say? What do you need first? Well, we don't have to preheat our oven because we're not baking this dip. We need a bowl, just a nice medium-sized bowl. Now, in case I forget to tell you, I always put the recipe down below the video in the description box. Depending on what device you're using, it'll either be down below or it'll be on the side, but the recipe will be written out for you. So, first of all, we're going to need some softened cream cheese. Now, I use the regular full-fat cream cheese. I happen to have Philadelphia. You can use any brand you want. And we're going to need 8 ounces of it, softened at room temperature. So I have that in my bowl here. And I'm going to put it right in my larger bowl. There we go. And if this is your first time here, I like to have a lot of fun when I'm baking. I don't have any kind of outfit on today, but sometimes I like to dress in character. And I just thought, well, it's still a little soon yet to put a Santa hat on or to put a turkey on my head, but that's okay. It's coming. We can always have fun and bake too. Now, I'm going to also add to this a half a cup of confectioner sugar. And now we're going to put in all those yummy spices and things that make the holidays what they are and make gingerbread what it is. So I'm going to put in here 3 tablespoons of molasses. Ooh. Now you know molasses always goes in gingerbread, right? Look at this. This is dark molasses. I'm also going to add to this some of those yummy spices. The smell of them is delicious. We're going to put in there a half a teaspoon of nutmeg. I have everything pre-measured. I'm going to put in there half a teaspoon of ginger. Next, we're going to put in a quarter of a teaspoon of cloves and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I have all those yummy ingredients in there. I'm going to use my hand mixer for this, which I have right here. So I'm going to start out slow so the confectioner's sugar doesn't go flying all over the place. So let me get started. I'm just going to get this all combined. It's a very, very easy gingerbread mix to make. Oh, the smell! Woo! The angels are singing again. You see that dark brown color? Well, it isn't going to be that dark, but I'll show you in a minute. There you go. Very simple to mix. Should I taste the beater like I always do? Well, we're not finished yet, but I'll just taste a little bit. Pretty good. All right, now, as you can see, the color is kind of dark. So we want to make it a little lighter, and we also want to make it a little smoother, you know, not quite so thick so we could dip our cookies into it. So I'm going to add to this a half a cup of regular Cool Whip. Now, I have never made it with a light Cool Whip, but you're certainly welcome to try it and let me know how it comes out if you want to do that. All right, and I lick the spoon, you betcha. Now you can also use, you can make your own homemade whipped cream and put it in here if you'd like, but I'm doing a little hack. I'm taking a shortcut. Now with your spatula, fold in that half a cup of Cool Whip in with the gingerbread mixture. See how it's coming? It's lightening up a little bit. I'll try to zoom in so you could see it. And it's going to make it a little bit more, little smoother when you dip your treats into it. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, it looks good. And now you're probably thinking, is she going to lick that spatula? Well, not now, but maybe later. Oh yeah. I'll hold it up again so you can see how the color has changed. You see how light it's coming now? I love to make gingerbread cookies at Christmas. Oh, they're so much fun to make. And they're even more fun to decorate. Alrighty. Look at that. See, wasn't that easy? What did it take me, like 5 minutes to mix all these ingredients? Alrighty. See that? That's what it should look like when you're done. Now, don't go away. I'm going to do a taste testing and show you how I like to serve this. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I have a small dish here and another dish to put my dip in. You can actually use a much larger dish, but this is just to show you. Now, I'm going to take my dip and I'm going to put it into the smaller bowl. Can use my spatula to do that. Oh, it looks so good. And I should tell you, you probably won't have any of this left over. But if you should, just remember there's cream cheese in it, so you probably have to put it in the refrigerator. Oh, look at this. So delicious looking. Yes! Is everybody starting to prepare for the holidays? I know we can't skip Thanksgiving and go right to Christmas, although you would believe the stores have done that. Oh my gosh, every store I go into, all the Christmas decorations are out. The shopping centers have their trees up and all their decorations out, and the malls, and I don't know. I love the holiday season, so it doesn't bother me, but I know some people get very upset. They're like, we haven't even gotten to Thanksgiving yet. My daughter's having Thanksgiving this year, and I've been assigned to bring the desserts, so that's fine with me. All right, look at this. Now I'm going to lick the spatula. Oh my goodness. So good. Now, you can, let me just pick up that little bit I messed up there. You can serve this with any kind of cookies you want, but when I was in the store the other day, I saw these, the Archway, the little gingerbread men, and I thought those would not only look good, because presentation is everything, but they would taste good too. So I decided to buy them. I thought they would look so cute around there. And just the right size. So I'm going to put these all around the dish. But, are you familiar with Little Debbie? You know Little Debbie? Because I have a Little Debbie dip coming up for you too. But Little Debbie makes all the gingerbread boys and Christmas trees and those brownies. And I see the stores already have out all their Little Debbie products on sale already. You might want to grab some of them before they sell out. But anyway, this little gingerbread boy is one of the Little Debbie soft, chewy gingerbread cookies. And I have a bag of those too. But I thought, well, this could be like the big guy sitting in the dip. Look at that. Because I am very big on presentation. I think everything should look appetizing when you put it out. It really makes a difference. So, I'm going to put the rest of these out and I'll put a photo in the video for you. But for now, I'm going to do a taste testing. And I should tell you that if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you. And you can hit that little bell because I have a lot more recipes coming up and quite a few for Christmas. You'll notice that on my channel I did put some Weight Watcher recipes, but I have them sort of intermingled with my regular recipes because I like to do a little bit of everything and please everyone. All right, look how cute. So, let me take one of these little guys. Wait a minute, let me take this. He broke in half. I'll dip his feet and see what this tastes like. Mmm, so good. Mmm, so good. There won't be any of this left over in my house, trust me. And this is a dip that is good for adults, for children, for everyone. And I think your family or your guests are going to love it. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make it. It really is delicious. And I want to thank you all for supporting my channel because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have a channel. So, so good. Well, thank you very much. I hope to see you again very soon. Love you.